Tell me, what are you wearing, Lizzie?
A backpack.
And how old are you?
2.
Yeah. You're 2.5 today. Okay. And what is the backpack for?
For hiking.
For hiking. Are you and Mommy going hiking on Thursday?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you looking forward to that?
And climb rock.
And we're going to climb rocks, yeah.
Really high.
And we're going to see a really big lake.
Really big lake.
Yeah? What did you do today?
And go swimming rapids.
Yeah? And what did you do this afternoon after nap?
Go hiking.
No, we went to the park. Do you remember? Who did you play with?
Aka.
Yeah. Did you two have fun?